Welcome to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered how animals like rats navigate perfectly in the dark? They use their whiskers to feel their surroundings, and now researchers have given that same ability to a tiny drone. This paper, titled Whisker-Based Tactile Flight for Tiny Drones, introduces a robot that can fly completely blind. Tiny flying robots have huge potential, but they face major limitations. Their small size means they can't carry heavy sensors, and standard cameras or lasers fail in smoke, dust, or darkness. They also can't see transparent obstacles like glass windows. To solve this, researchers took inspiration from nature. They built a tiny 44-gram drone and equipped it with a 3.2-gram whisker system. These aren't just plastic sticks, they're flexible wires connected to highly sensitive pressure sensors. When a whisker touches an object and bends, the sensors detect the change, telling the drone something is there. But just touching a wall can make a tiny drone crash, so the design had to be perfect. The team tested various whisker placement angles to see which was the most stable for flight. They found that a 45-degree forward-facing angle allowed the drone to gently sweep along walls without spinning out of control. They also developed sophisticated onboard software to filter out noise from vibrations and temperature changes. This allows the system to estimate its distance from a surface with an incredible sub-6 mm accuracy. With the design finalized, they put it through some incredible tests. First, they had the drone navigate a path blocked by 3 transparent glass walls, which would be invisible to a normal camera. The drone flawlessly detected each panel by touch and continued on its path. In another amazing experiment, the drone was placed in an unknown, walled-in area and tasked with exploring it to find an exit. Using only its whiskers, it successfully mapped the room's layout and located the way out. Perhaps the most impressive demonstration was flying in complete darkness. The drone was able to follow along both a hard, rigid surface and a soft, challenging textile surface using only its sense of touch. So, let's quickly recap what makes this so important. This research demonstrates a tiny drone that can navigate complex spaces using only touch, entirely on its own, without external computers. It's lightweight, energy efficient, and works in conditions where other sensors would be completely useless. This could be revolutionary for real-world applications. Imagine swarms of these tiny drones searching for survivors in a collapsed building where dust and darkness make vision impossible. They could be used to inspect the inside of narrow pipes or explore dangerous caves. This bio-inspired approach opens the door for robots to go places and perform tasks that were previously far too risky or challenging.